Like every cell, tissue, and organ of our body, our nervous system requires nutrients like vitamin B6, vitamin B12, potassium, and magnesium, among many others, to remain healthy and strong, to ensure that it performs its functions properly. We usually pay attention to our heart, lungs, respiratory, and immune system. Still, we often tend to ignore our nervous system, a very integral part for the normal functioning of our body. Neuropathy is the dysfunction or damage of one or more nerves that typically results in numbness, muscle weakness, and pain in the affected area. Do you know how common neuropathy is? It is estimated that around 25 to 30% of Americans will be affected by neuropathy. Though exercising regularly will help keep your nervous system healthy, there are certain superfoods you can include in your diet throughout the day to make sure that your nervous system gets better and stays strong. And that is exactly what we are going to discuss in this video. The first food on our list is dark green leafy vegetables. Kale, spinach, and chard are some of the dark green leafy vegetables that contain copper, magnesium, folate, and calcium. Copper is essential for the production of neurotransmitters. It also helps prevent spinal cord degeneration and progressive failure of nerve function. Magnesium helps carry oxygen to the nerves and muscles and calms the nervous cell. Leafy vegetables boost neurotransmitter function and slow down the aging of the brain and nervous system. Secondly, the most important food for nervous health is fish. Fish like salmon, tuna, trout, and sardines help protect the nerves. DHA and EPA are the two types of omega-3 fatty acids that keep the nervous system healthy by maintaining nerve cell membranes. Omega-3 fatty acids can repair and maintain the important neural circuits for learning, memory, and locomotion. Studies have found that omega-3 fatty acids in fatty fish offer a great neuroprotective potential against neurologic injuries. The third food you can easily include in your breakfast is oatmeal. Oatmeal is a replenishing medicine for the nervous system. It helps soothe stress, anxiety, and insomnia symptoms and is known as the antidote to nervous exhaustion. Herbalists often prescribe oats due to their wide range of benefits for nervous conditions, as it helps strengthen and nourishes the overstressed nervous system. The next food we will include are all types of berries. Red, blue, and purple berries contain a compound called anthocyanins that can cross the blood-brain barrier to protect the brain cells from aging and diseases such as cancer. Consuming berries increases the number of new neurons in the brain and slows down the aging process. Berries can also change the pathways involved in causing inflammation, nerve cell transition, cell survival, and the ability of the nerve cell to be flexible. Number 5 is athletes' favorite fruit, bananas. Bananas are often referred to as brain food because they are high in vitamin B6. This vitamin is necessary for creating neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine for transmitting signals throughout all the organs and tissues of the body. Furthermore, the potassium found in bananas is an electrolyte that helps our body, including the brain, stay hydrated. Want to know more about the best vitamin for nerves? Then check out our video on the top 12 best vitamins for nerves. At number 6 is the herb rosemary. Rosemary has been used for centuries to treat nervous system ailments. This herb contains carnosic acid that protects the brain cell from free radical damage, lowering the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Rosemary contains another compound called rosmarinic acid, which exhibits neuroprotective effects and reduces inflammation of the nerves. Rosemary essential oil can be used to treat neuropathy, which includes nerve problems like nerve pain, tingling, numbness, and weakness. Number 7. Green tea. Green tea contains compound called catechins that help reduce cognitive deterioration in aging. Research has found that long-term consumption of green tea has the potential to reverse the degenerative effects of aging in the brain. Green tea also contains an amino acid called L-theanine that has a positive impact on the nervous system, which helps in increasing the level of dopamine and serotonin and induces a state of alert relation. Tea compounds help reduce inflammation and the growth of soft muscle tissues that can harden arteries. Number 8. Nuts. Nuts like walnuts, hazelnuts, almonds, and cashews are rich in magnesium, which is an essential nutrient for a healthy nervous system. Magnesium helps produce serotonin, which relaxes the nervous system and elevates mood. Nuts also contain vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, essential for healthy nerve and brain function. The deficiency of this vitamin can interfere with the production of certain neurotransmitters, such as glutamate and aspartate. Number 9. Liver. Foods rich in vitamin B12, like the liver, can help heal damaged nerves. This vitamin plays a vital role in maintaining the myelin sheath. If you are deficient in vitamin B12, it can cause problems with myelin and affect the functioning of the nervous system. As a result, degenerative disorder of the spinal cord occurs. Other sources of vitamin B12 include fish, poultry, eggs, milk, and meat. Green leafy vegetables are not a good source of vitamin B12, but some breakfast cereals containing vitamin B12 can be included in the diet of vegetarians. Number 10. Avocados. Avocados are rich in folate and vitamin K that improve cognitive function, especially regarding memory and concentration. They are also rich in vitamin C and vitamin B, which helps regenerate nerve endings and repair damaged nerves. This food also reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke. Avocados contain unsaturated fat that works to lower LDL cholesterol without affecting the good HDL cholesterol. When you have too much LDL cholesterol, it hardens along the edges of your arteries and narrows them. Want to know more about what are the main causes of nerve damage? Check out our video on the top 7 bad habits that can damage your nerves. Remember, this video is for educational purpose only. We are not giving you medical advice. You should always consult your doctor if you need any professional opinion. Did you find this video helpful? If yes, then make sure to share it with your family, friends, and colleagues so that they can incorporate these foods in their diet.